Are you also facing this problem where your PC fails to boot and shows the boots64 EFI error? It's really frustrating because you can't start your system or reinstall Windows properly. This usually happens when the boot files are missing or corrupted, your USB drive is not created properly, or the BIOS settings are not configured for EFIBOOT. You may have already seen YouTube videos or Facebook posts with complicated solutions, like formatting drives multiple times, editing boot files manually, or running advanced commands. Most of these steps are confusing and hard to follow. When I faced this issue, nothing worked until I discovered a secret, super simple trick that solved it instantly. The easiest solution is to recreate your bootable USB using the proper UEFI settings and ensure all Windows files are correctly copied. Most of the time, this alone fixes the boots64.EFI error and allows your PC to boot normally. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing all the ways to fix this error permanently, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rexus HD, because I'll soon upload that detailed guide so you can solve the boots64.EFI problem and boot your PC without issues. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.